And then coming across and looking at currencies this morning, let's start with the euro, and let's go to the 4-hour chart. What I'm looking for in the euro is this final fifth down, ideally. This 4's come about as high as it should. I've got 5 down to here, so this is either a 1, 2 of the initial 1 of this wave 5. If we go much higher, I think we've got an A of the 2 in, B of the 2, and we're getting a 1, 2, and up we go in the C of 2. But if we come down to the smaller time frames, you can see we've got what counts potentially as a 1, 2, with the 2 hitting the 618. If we can take out the low at 117.24, then we can start to run the fibs to the downside and get a downside count to tie in with the larger time frames for lower. And then conversely with the DXY, I'm looking for this low to hold and is to get the final fifth of 1 up in the dollar index. UK cable, so what I think we've got is this A wave in here of the 2, and that was picture perfect into the 38.2, and it hit the 1618 for this ending diagonal here. 5 down, I'm looking for the 2 back before we get the 3, 4, 5, probably down here to the 764 for this B wave. If we see this come up and hit a Fibonacci retracement against this move down, so run them on your own trading platforms, you can take a short for the rest of the B wave down if you wish to. Personally, I'm not going to do that. I'm maybe interested in playing the C of 2 up, which is this move. After we get this B in place, this move up here is of interest. I'm not going to play this move down here personally. US dollar Japanese yen, so still long this pair from the 110 region. We came just shy of this 123.6 on Friday, came down, we've held the 1.0 for this micro 4. I'm looking for the micro 5 up to 113.74 next, then the 4, 5 to complete the move up to 115. And the Australian dollar held where it needed to this morning at that 764 that was cited in the morning update. I'm looking for it to push up here next to 73.22, then another 4, 5, 4, 5. That would give us a full 5 wave move up off the recent low, and I'm then looking for it to hold a Fibonacci retracement in order to get a long-term swing long position in the Australian dollar.